Alright, this is going to be a beginner lesson. I'm going to teach a few chords and string names that you started off with. This first one, the big one, it's going to be E. The next one down is going to be A. The next one after that is going to be D. Smaller one after that is going to be G. The next one after that is going to be B. And then the one after that is going to be E again. Starting from the open position, that's nothing held down on the frets. It's E, the first fret, F, F sharp, G, G sharp or A minor, A, fifth fret of the E string, A, open, A sharp or B flat, B, C, C sharp or D flat, D, we have D again with open, E flat, F, no, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G again, open, G sharp, or A flat, A, B flat, B, C, B, C, C sharp or D flat, D, D sharp or E flat, E, E again but open, F, F sharp, G, G sharp or A flat, and A. It's the first 5 frets from open to closed position. And basically what you have is you have A all the way to G. It just starts over. Whenever it starts over, the next time, for instance, say I go from E and then I go all the way to the next E, that's 1 octave. If I go there again, that's 2 octaves. Like from the top E to the bottom E, it's 2 octaves. From this E to the second E, it's only 1 octave. Alright, some basic chord shapes. Just gonna start off with an E. I have E minor, which is only first string open, second string second fret, third string second fret, and all the other strings are open. Then we have E major. All you're gonna do is you're gonna keep that same position, and on the G string, you're gonna hold down the first fret. Open E, F is going to be first fret, and then on the next string, third fret, second fret, first fret. For the big E string, the B string, and the other E string, they're all going to be on the same fret. So what you can do is you can take your first finger and hold those down, and then just use your pinky, your middle finger, and your ring finger to the other notes. This basic shape can be kept all the way down the fretboard. So like this would be F, because this first note right here is F. This would be a G. Another way to finger the G chord. This would be A, B, C, D. The only thing you have to do to make that minor is take your middle finger off the 2nd fret of the G string and just lift it up. And all we're going to do is keep that same pattern. Here's some alternate fingerings for each one of those chords. We have a G, which would be the 3rd fret of the E string, 2nd fret of the A string, open on the D string, open on the G string, 3rd fret of the B string, 3rd fret of the E string again. The C, we're not going to play the E string on this chord, so it's going to be second string, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, G string open, B string 1st fret, E string open. And another way we can play this, we can keep the 3rd fret held down on the B and the E string, and then leave the G open. Hold down the E, or the 2nd fret of the D string, and the C that's on the A string, which is the 3rd fret of the A string. So we have a quick transition from G to C. And we have D. Whenever you play a D, you're not going to play the open string. You're not going to play the open E. You can drop it down to drop D. Basically what the drop D is, it's you take the open string of the D string and you make the E string an octave lower than what the 3rd string or the D string is, so that there's no waves whenever you play them both at the same time. And now we have this D here on the 4th string and 2nd fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, 5th string, 3rd fret, last string, 2nd. And another way that we can play all these different chords is just to hold them down bar chord basically with your 1st finger, and keep your 3rd and your pinky like keep this distance. You can see the shape. That shape stays consistent. You can just change the chord. You can play E, you can play F, the G,